Today we're exploring SORA AI, the latest innovation from OpenAI. Before going into the video, subscribe me for AI-related content and updates of SORA AI in future. SORA AI is a state-of-the-art text-to-video model that brings your imagination to life. With just a description, SORA AI can create realistic videos, making it a game-changer for creators across industries. Let's see some examples. 1. Tokyo street scene. The video captures a stylish woman as she walks down a Tokyo street at night. The scene is alive with warm, glowing neon lights and animated city signage. She's dressed in a black leather jacket, a long red dress, black boots, and carries a black purse. Her confident, casual stride and the reflective, damp street create a mirror effect, enhancing the colorful lights around her. The bustling atmosphere is enriched with many pedestrians, adding to the urban vibe of the scene. 2. Woolly mammoths in snow. This video portrays several giant woolly mammoths moving through a snowy meadow. Their long, woolly fur sways gently in the wind against a backdrop of snow-covered trees and dramatic snow-capped mountains. The mid-afternoon light casts a warm glow, and the low camera angle captures the majesty of these prehistoric creatures with stunning photography and depth of field. 3. Spaceman Adventure Trailer. A creative movie trailer features the adventures of a 30-year-old spaceman wearing a red wool knitted motorcycle helmet. The setting is a salt desert under a blue sky, shot in a cinematic style reminiscent of 35mm film. The vivid colors and the barren landscape create a striking contrast, hinting at an epic journey. 4. Big Sur. Coastline. The video offers a drone's eye view of waves crashing against the rugged cliffs along Big Sur's Garay Point Beach. The golden light of the setting sun illuminates the rocky shore, and a small island with a lighthouse sits in the distance. Green shrubbery covers the cliff's edge, and the steep drop from the road to the beach highlights the dramatic landscape of the Pacific Coast Highway. 5. Fluffy Monster and Candle. An animated scene features a short, fluffy monster kneeling beside a melting red candle. The 3D art style focuses on lighting and texture, creating a mood of wonder and curiosity. The monster's wide eyes and open mouth convey innocence and playfulness, as if it's exploring the world for the first time. Warm colors and dramatic lighting enhance the cozy atmosphere. 6. Papercraft. Coral Reef. This video presents a beautifully rendered papercraft world depicting a coral reef bustling with colorful fish and sea creatures. The intricate details and artistic craftsmanship showcase the model's ability to create complex and visually appealing scenes. 7. Victoria Crowned Pigeon. A close-up shot highlights the striking blue plumage and red chest of a Victoria crowned pigeon. The bird's crest features delicate, lacy feathers, and its red eye stands out, emphasizing the bird's elegant features. These videos demonstrate SORA AI's versatility in generating a wide array of scenes, from realistic urban landscapes to imaginative animated characters, all from textual descriptions provided to the model. SORA AI's capabilities extend to various domains, from education to entertainment. As of now, SORA AI is in the hands of a select group of testers, ensuring it meets the highest standards of safety and ethics. OpenAI is dedicated to responsible AI development, with a launch anticipated later this year. While the exact release date is not yet public, the excitement is palpable. SORA AI is set to open up new horizons in video production and content creation. How does SORA AI compare to other text-to-video models? SORA AI stands out among text-to-video models for its ability to maintain coherence over longer video sequences and its use of advanced machine learning techniques. Here's how it compares to other models. Data handling. SORA AI is trained on diverse internet text, which allows it to handle a wide range of topics and styles. It represents videos and images as collections of data patches, enabling training on diverse visual data. Performance. Leveraging transformer architecture, similar to GPT models, SORA AI demonstrates superior scaling performance. It operates on a diffusion model, gradually transforming noise into coherent video frames. Quality. Thanks to its advanced training techniques and diverse training data, SORA AI generally produces higher quality videos than open source models. It also stands out for its impressive coherence over longer videos, a significant advancement over previous models. Flexibility. While open source models offer the advantage of adaptability and community-driven improvements, SORA AI, being proprietary, provides state-of-the-art performance backed by OpenAI's resources and expertise. Accessibility. OpenAI's SORA model, though not open source, offers a robust API for developers to integrate its capabilities into their applications, albeit with usage fees. In comparison to other proprietary models, SORA AI's use of space-time diffusion for video generation is similar to Google's Lumiere model. However, each has its unique strengths and applications, with SORA AI being particularly noted for its coherence and quality of generated videos. By staying updated and planning ahead, you'll be ready to make the most of SORA AI for your projects when it becomes available. Can I use SORA AI for commercial purposes? For commercial purposes, once SORA AI is released to the public, OpenAI will likely have specific guidelines and licensing agreements in place for its use. It's important to follow OpenAI's official announcements for updates on the availability of SORA AI and the terms of use for commercial projects. Can you explain how the space-time diffusion model works in SORA AI? The space-time diffusion model in SORA AI is a sophisticated machine learning technique used for generating videos from textual descriptions. Here's a high-level explanation of how it works. 1. Initial state. The model starts with an initial state that resembles static noise, which is essentially a random distribution of pixels. 2. Space-time patches. It operates on space-time patches, which are segments of video and image latent codes. These patches are treated similarly to how words or tokens are treated in natural language processing models. 3. Diffusion process. The model uses a diffusion process, which involves gradually refining the initial noise by reducing randomness step by step. This is done through a series of iterations that progressively shape the noise into a coherent video sequence that aligns with the given text prompt. 4. Transformer architecture. Echoing the design principles of GPT models, SORA AI is built upon a transformer architecture. This allows the model to handle the complexity of video generation and maintain consistency over longer sequences. 5. Training data. SORA AI is trained on a vast dataset of videos and images, which enables it to understand and simulate the physical world in motion. This training helps the model to generate realistic and imaginative scenes that adhere to the user's prompts. 6. Video generation. The model can generate videos up to a minute long while maintaining visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. It can create entire videos from scratch or augment existing videos by enhancing their length and adding new elements. The space-time diffusion model is a key component of SORA AI's ability to create high-fidelity videos that are both visually appealing and contextually relevant to the input text. Don't miss out on the AI revolution. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on SORA AI and be ready to unleash your creativity. Click the bell icon to stay informed.